Hello guys, so today I'll be unboxing the Labubu. So this is the one. I got this one. I gave into the Labubu trend and I finally got one from Meesho. I was seeing everywhere that they were showing that the Labubu from Meesho are not as creepy, and I wanted to see for myself whether they actually sell proper Labubu, like non-creepy Labubus. Most of the fake Labubus or Lafufus, you can say, are like very creepy, and I wanted to see that. So here's the one that has arrived today, and the package came in open, like it was separately, and these are the labubus you get. Soy milk is the white one, lychee berry is the pink one, then green grape is the green one. They have names given to every color of labubu, and this is the exciting macaron series. And the gray one is sesame bean, they say, and the darker gray or the brownish one is called toffee, and this blue one is sea salt coconut. So the one which I ordered, they had like a color mentioned, it said blue. So I thought I think I might be getting sea salt coconut. Let's see. And the secret is there, and the packaging looks somewhat like the original, not exactly like the original, but they've done a nice job. So let's just shake it and see. So this one doesn't really shake much, like you cannot really hear, and the packaging was not even like stuck properly. It was just a cardboard box given to you that you can assemble. This is how the Meesho one looks oddly similar to the original. How it looks from the front, like the back side, and it came in open just like this. You don't even have to tear it up. This is how it came in, and that's the Labubu. I think I got sesame bean. So this is the one. It does look creepy in person, and you can see here the face is not aligned, like it's a bit tilted, like teha, like it's bulging on this side. It's a bit bulging on this side, and there you can see there's printing error, and it does look creepy, but the fur is very soft. Let me just show you the quality, and there's the Pop Mart label. And it says the hands, and you can see here the monster, the Pop Mart embroidery. It looks oddly similar to the original, but it's not an original, it's a Lafufu, because you won't get it for 800. And even the ears are like not apart, it's like this. Lafufus don't have ears like this, so it looks very similar. The blush looks very creepy. Yeah, it looks creepy, but I'm returning it because I don't want sesame bean, and it's, you can see here this head is like loose sort of, like you can turn this head, and yeah, this is how it looks overall. It does look creepy in person, and you can see if you like make it stand it like this, you can make it stand like this and it won't stand. So when you place it upright, you can see here this part is like bulging, this part is bulging, and this head is like this, tilted to one side, and that's the reason why I want to return it. I don't know what to call this, creepy or not. Do let me know, like how would you rate this Lafufu? The eyes look okay, but the face is a bit tilted. on one side. I would prefer a pink one, so I've ordered another one which says pink in the color. So I got sesame bean. I'm not happy about the color, so I'm returning it. You have the option to return. And this is the back side. The legs do turn. I'm not sure. I don't have the original Labubu, so I cannot say that it looks, it does look fake, but how fake this looks, I'm not sure of it. Do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, this is a Lafufu, and how good a Lafufu is this, do let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll wait for your comments. So that's Labubu. So that is Labubu from Meesho, and it actually has legit like embroidery. This one, this here is smaller, and the embroidery part is also smaller in this, and this one is like bigger, and the blush is like not properly distributed. The white teeth is like not printed properly. The eyes look good, but it is creepy. Labubu itself is creepy, and it's tilting on one side. So yeah, do let me know how would you rate this creepy sesame bean Labubu. And yeah, thanks for watching.